For coupling and all these microwave stripline experiments, the same setup is required. The source 3 dB attenuator, detector and VSWR meter. The detector, this will be input and this will be output. This input goes to Q, output goes to VSWR meter. And 3 dB attenuator is this is the 3 dB attenuator. And then when you consider this, place it such a way that you can see the letter T, and then this will be port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4, clockwise. When you consider this, place the T towards you. This will be port 1, port 2, port 3, and then port 4 in the shape of Z. Where is it? Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a T mark. So P1 is calculated by shorting the P and Q terminals. Short the P and Q terminals. You should use the detector, right? You should use 3 dB attenuator also. And then you should short P and Q. And then vary the frequency from 2 to 3, right? 2 to 3. And then measure the reading here. The upper line, and then note down the values here. You need to write this in negative, right?
Yes, negative.
Yeah, negative. You need to measure the values in negative and write down the values in negative. That is P1. And for P2, you need to write this table for 2 of these. One box, and then this is the second box. This is parallel and this is branched. For P2, if this is P1, P2, P3, P4.
This is P1, P2. This is P1 terminal, P2 terminal, P3 terminal, P4 terminal.
Okay.
This works in the circular fashion.
Okay. For P2, connect the input to P1 and then match P3 and P4 and then take output from P2. And then for P3, match P2 and P4, then take output from P3. Input will always be given to P1 and then match these two and take output from P4. Then you can fill all these columns.